Hello, this is John Diaz here, reporting from Blue Knob Ski Resort. The snow has finally let up after days of snowing non-stop. And this is the final result. I'd say probably around 14 inches or so. Blue Knob Ski Resort in Claysburg, Pennsylvania. This place is about 25 minutes or so, more or less, from Altoona, Pennsylvania. And the same, about 15-20 minutes to Bedford, Pennsylvania. The snow removal staff has done a magnificent job from start to finish, like they always do. Working so hard. Such dedicated people having to get up at all hours of the day and night to work in extreme cold. And trust me, last night it was extreme cold. I can't even describe how cold it was out here. And the wind was just incredible. That's the beauty of when the sun comes out. Even if it's cold, things start to melt. But I can assure you right now it's hovering around 0 degrees, if not a little below. It's freezing out here. And it's getting pretty close to the afternoon right now, getting close to half day. I don't know about you guys, but it's beautiful out here. Look at those snow drifts, that's incredible. You know, this snow is going to last for many weeks because it snowed a lot. They were making snow, so they're going to have a whole lot of snow for many weeks to come, if not beyond over a month. The problem is every time they plow here, the wind just throws the snow back. And it's just a never-ending process of cleaning the snow. But this gives you a better idea of how much snow we're talking about here. You hear the wind howling, guys? It's incredible out here how much much wind. And guys, in case in the previous videos I talk about the snowcat, well, there it is, guys. That big blade in the front grades the snow. It's like a bulldozer. And then the mechanism in the back grooms the trails. There you have it, guys. That machine's been working day and night. Last night I came and that thing was working at 2 in the morning. They work all night with that thing. That's how much snow they've had here. People are starting to get here for another day of skiing and snowboarding. And as you can see, they've done a great job plowing this place. You can see down below they got the snowcat down there to plow. I'll tell you what, that snowcat is a beautiful machine. And as you can see, the old one there they have as a museum piece right at the entrance of the ski resort. That's a piece of history there. That's a piece of history. And that's the modern history right here. At Blue Knob Ski Resort, this is John Diaz. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Press the like button if you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe to the channel for upcoming content if you're enjoying these videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.